fix it and you won't see any signs of the damage.
I'm working in a real shop. We do collision estimating, analysis, and damage repair.
We use plastics and adhesives to fix a lot of bumpers.
Some common career opportunities are frame specialist detailer and collision repairman.
I enjoy painting and refinishing. It combines the technical and artistic aspects auto body offers.
The 2 years in our collision repair technology program can reduce the 5 years needed for our automotive service excellence certification.